The final trumpet shakes the heavens. Nations tremble as eternity breaks through the clouds. Every soul now faces the coming King. Before the throne of blazing holiness, every hidden deed is revealed. Mercy is offered, but time has run out for many. Jesus Christ returns in unstoppable glory. Heaven opens wide as the King of Kings descends with power and fire. The book of life is opened before all creation. Only those written within shall enter eternal glory. Judgment falls upon the earth. Some cry out in terror, while others kneel before the light of salvation. The signs are before us. Turn to Jesus Christ today, before the final trumpet sounds forever.